The screen is black. It doesn't work. Oh, it's not charging. My phone is dead. Why is there no signal? Mom! Breakfast is ready. Mom, there's no internet.
Maybe that's not a bad thing.
Wait, really? That's strange.
It's not loading.
Still nothing. That's weird.
Edit.
24 hours. No phones. Talk. Look. Remember.
Is this some kind of joke?
What about my work? 24 hours? My subscribers? My ranking? Everything was online?
Excuse me, what time is it?
4:30.
Thank you. People used to ask like that. I used to draw every day. Then the phones came. One day, I stopped chasing my dreams.
Hey! Come play with us!
Okay. This is actually amazing.
Maybe we don't need a screen tonight. Maybe we just need each other.
Here you go, dear. Easy, nice.
Can you draw me next?
Of course.
Try it now.
Okay.
It's just one day. Tomorrow, everything will be back to normal.
Hey! Watch it! That was close.
They look like they're having so much fun.
This is delicious.
I love it.
I'm so glad, sweetie.
Can I have more?
No phones at the table. I like this rule.
Best rule ever.
Yeah, it's actually nice.
Can we do this again tomorrow?
Maybe we should.
Attention. Final 5 minutes remaining.
Is it over?
Countdown ending in
Let's
3,
go.
2.
3, 2.
What's going to happen? We didn't turn off the signal. You simply started listening to each other. If you want to return to your old life, turn on your phone. If you wish to continue, nothing will.
Is she going to turn it on?
Wait.
I miss this sky. When was the last time we just stood like this? Too long.
Signal was always there. You just needed to look up.
One question. If the signal disappeared tomorrow, what would you love? If you liked this story, please like the video. And don't forget to subscribe. There's more coming.